Hello everyone, here's the presentation of the electric scooter AOVO Max. In the box we will find the electric scooter, a charger, a user manual, a kickstand, and a key with screws. Mounting is very simple and fast. The lithium battery is 15.6 Ah, not removable. The charging time is about 6 hours. The announced autonomy is from 45 to 60 kilometers. It has two wheels of 10 inches, with tubeless tires without tube. It is equipped with drum brake at the front and ABS electronic brake at the rear, which allows a fast braking without locking the wheels. The control panel is an LCD screen, which displays the speed, the driving mode, the lights, and the battery level. There are 4 driving modes. Walking mode allows you to run the scooter next to you without having to push it. Eco mode, normal and speed. Once mounted, install the application with the QR code or by searching Mini Robot on the store. Compatible with Android and iOS. No need to create an account. Just press the button on the scooter once. Activate the Bluetooth on your smartphone and synchronize. With the application, you will have the speed and battery level in real time. You will be able to change the different modes directly with your smartphone, lock or unlock it, turn on or off the lights, activate or deactivate the cruise control, and be able to configure different settings. In the settings, you can change the unit to metric or imperial. Enable or disable the cruise control, set the battery capacity, change the speed limit for each mode from 10 to 35 kilometers per hour. And the choice of instant start by pressing the button or pushing with the foot before accelerating. Here you will find all the information about your electric scooter. The folding system is simple. Unlock, pull, and fold. Its weight is 20.9 kilograms. The nominal power of the motor is 350 watts. And the maximum power is 500 watts. It supports up to 100 kilograms of charge. The maximum speed is 35 kilometers per hour. Don't forget to limit the speed with the application to respect the regulations of your country. The AOVO Max electric scooter accelerates easily and is very maneuverable. The regulator activates automatically once the speed of the selected mode is reached. It can climb on slopes of 20 degrees. Conclusion. This electric scooter is a good surprise. It has a great look. The touches of yellow color gives it a sporty and styled look. It has good performance. It is powerful, robust, with a good quality of manufacture. It is comfortable with its 10-inch wheels and stable, with good braking, but would be much better with disc brakes. A wide deck with a good length. It has one of the best autonomy. The bell system is nice. The application is easy to use with multiple settings. Don't forget to subscribe, to check the bell and to like my video. Thanks for your support, and see you soon for a second test of the AOVO Max.